Start with a new catalog, click on Elements on the right hand side, and then on Uploads. And Uploads image. I just uploaded 2 images, so I can drag and drop them into the page. Select the image, position it where you want, and resize it. And repeat with the second image. I'm creating a new dimension catalog and rename it. Click on the title to change it and enter a new title and a pop-up Save. Close the panel. Add a new page. Select the new page, then click Elements. Select Product Layout from the panel and drag a product layout into your page. One of your products will be loaded into the layout. Click on the product layout and you can resize it. You can select the image within the layout and resize it. And you can drag the layout to a new place on the pages. Zoom in the view using the controls, which are on the bottom left of the screen. And you can change other elements within the layout. And drag and drop them. Now zoom out again. Select the layout. Click on the Replace Product icon on the toolbar. Select your product and click Apply Now. Make a few minor adjustments. Select the complete product layout again and click Save Product Layout on the toolbar. Enter a name for the product layout and click Save. Now, if you go to Product Layout, you have a new custom product layout which you can drag onto the page. Select the product and drag and drop. Change the product like before. Here are your products on the page. Now let's add a heading. From the Elements sidebar, click Text, then add headings and drag onto the page. Move the new heading and resize it. Click on the text and change it. Now let's add a lifestyle image. From Elements, click Upload. Select an image and drag it to the page. Move and resize it like before. reposition the heading. Let's add a top border for the page. From Elements, click on Shapes and drag a square into the page. Select it. Use the top toolbar to choose a color. Select it again. Reposition and resize it. And to add a bottom border, reselect it and click copy from the toolbar. Select the new border element and drag it to the bottom of the page. On the toolbar, click on Send to Back. Now, select the page number and change the color. Let's add some promotions. From Elements, click on Text. Scroll down. Select some elements. And drag them onto the page. Just select an element. To reposition or resize it. And you can change any of the colors. The same way you did with the border elements. Change the elements until you are happy. Let's add branding to the bottom border. Add a subheading. The same way as the heading. Reposition. Change the text, putting in your company name or catalog name. Use the toolbar to make it bold. Change the color and resize it. That's all.